Hey you, thanks for stopping by. Let me help you make lunch differently. Today, we're looking at a dollar store item that I found that was really cool. So this isn't the first thing, but these are so cute. They come in all these different colors. They're little heart-shaped containers, and the lids seem pretty solid. Let's take them out and have a look. And as you can see, it was only $1.25 for the set of them. I don't have high expectations because the lids on dollar store items usually don't sit down very well, but they're cute anyway. Actually, that's surprisingly stiff. They're nice and smooth, rounded edges, nothing sharp. I'm a big fan. You get 5 of them with all the different colors. This is at a Dollarama though, so if you don't have one of those, it may not be nearly as useful. These are the coolest things that I've found at the dollar store yet. They're $1.50, but look, it's almost like they watched my video on what do you need from a dollar store container. Built-in clip locks. You'll notice I had to work to get them out of there. They're quite stiff. And then inside, you see the one ledge sits in to the other ledge, so it's a good seal. This is a very respectable volume, I think. Nice rounded sides, it'd be nice and easy to clean. And they come in a bunch of colors. I don't know whether I should feel good or not about feeling heard from a dollar store. Regardless, it can help you guys. If you need a dollar store container, then this is going to be a great choice for you. That's all I really had to show you. I just thought they were so cool that I had to show you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.